Have you ever heard about off page SEO and wondered what it really means? You've probably heard people talking about backlinks, mentions, and online reputation. But how do these elements help your website rank higher? Stick with me as we dive into the world of off page SEO. By the end of this video, you will have a clear strategy to improve your off page SEO. Make sure to watch until the end because some of the final tips are game changer in the world of SEO. So let's start with the basic question. What exactly is off-page SEO? Right? What is off-page SEO? See, unlike on-page SEO, which involves optimizing elements on your website like content, titles, and meta descriptions, off-page SEO focuses on actions taken outside of your website. Now, these actions influence how search engines view your website's authority, relevance, and trustworthiness. Now think of it this way. On-page SEO is like decorating the inside of your shop, making it look appealing and organized. Off-page SEO is about getting people outside to talk about your shop, recommend it, and create buzz. Now both are crucial for your success, right? So why does off-page SEO matter? It's a valid question. You might be wondering why is off-page SEO so important? Well, the answer is simple. Search engines like Google do not just look at your website in isolation. They want to know how your site fits into the larger web. And this means looking at how many other sites link to you, what they say about you, and whether your site is trusted in your industry. So, to tell you about the significance of off page SEO, here's a quick fact. Studies show that backlinks are one of the top three ranking factors for Google. The more quality backlinks you have, the better your chances of ranking higher. A backlink is one of the off page SEO strategy. So, now let's talk about the basics of off page SEO. Let's break down the main components of off page SEO. Now, these are the elements that you need to focus on to build a solid strategy. The first strategy is backlinks. We just talked about it, right? Backlinks are the foundation of off page SEO. They are links from other websites that point to your site. Now, think of them as votes of confidence. When a reputable site links to your content, it signals to search engines that your content is valuable and trustworthy. But remember, not all backlinks are created equal. A link from a high authority site is like a university or well known publication is much more valuable than a link from a random blog. So here's the action tip for you. Focus on getting backlinks from authoritative, relevant sites. You can do this by creating high quality content that people naturally want to share or by reaching out to websites in your industry for guest posts. Second strategy is social media signals. See, while social media doesn't directly impact SEO rankings, it does play a supporting role. When your content is shared widely on social platforms, it gets more visibility. This can lead to more people visiting your site, sharing it, and linking to it. All of this contributes to better off page SEO. Let's understand this with the help of an example. A post that goes viral on Twitter or LinkedIn can result in numerous shares and even backlinks from other sites that discover it. So, here's a small action tip for you. Be active on social media, post valuable content regularly, and engage with your audience. Now, this helps build your online presence and could lead to more organic shares and backlinks. See, key strategies for, let's talk a little about the strategies for off page SEO. Because now that you know the basics, let's talk about these strategies which you can use to improve your off page SEO. So, the next strategy is guest blogging. So, see, guest blogging is one of the most effective ways to build backlinks. By writing video articles for other reputable sites, you not only showcase your expertise, but also get a chance to include links back to your own site. So here's the action tip for you. Reach out to industry blogs and websites that accept guest posts. Make sure your content adds value to their readers. See, always keep this in mind, quality is key here. The next strategy is influencer outreach. See, partnering with influencers can also help boost your off page SEO. When an influencer shares or links to your content, it can bring in more traffic and potentially more backlinks. So, here's the small action tip for you: identify influencers in your niche and build a relationship with them. Share their content, engage with them, and eventually propose a collaboration of feature. Fifth strategy, which is slightly counterintuitive, is brand mentions. Did you know that even unlinked brand mentions can have a positive effect on your off page SEO? Search engines can recognize when a brand is mentioned on reputable sites, even if there's no clickable link. Now, this still helps build your site's authority and relevance. So, here's an action tip for you: use tools like Google Alerts or RFs to track mentions of your brand. Reach out to sites that mention you and kindly ask them to add a link to your website. Now that we've talked about off page SEO strategies, let's also talk about common off page SEO mistakes to avoid. See, just like with on page SEO, off page SEO can have its pitfalls. So, avoiding these common mistakes can make a big difference in your strategy. So, first such mistake is buying backlinks. Now, it might be tempting to buy backlinks to speed up the process, but it can backfire. See, Google's algorithms are smart, and buying links can get you penalized. Then you have low quality links. So, links from irrelevant or low quality sites can hurt your rankings. Always focus on quality over quantity. The next is neglecting social media. See, ignoring social media is a missed opportunity. It's a powerful tool for reaching more people and gaining shares and mentions. So, these were some pitfalls to avoid. Now, let's talk about how to measure off page SEO success. Because, see, measuring the success of your off page SEO efforts is important. Is important because it's important to know what's working and what is not. So, here's what to keep an eye on. First is backlink profile. So, use tools like RFs or Moz to monitor who's linking to your site. Then, look at referral traffic. Check Google Analytics to see how much traffic is coming from other sites. Then you have domain authority. Tools like Moz can show your site's domain authority. The higher it is, the better. And then here are some final tips for off-page SEO. See, don't forget that off-page SEO is an ongoing process. It's not something you can set and forget. You need to continuously work on building your reputation and links. Last but not the least, remember that building genuine relationships is key. Whether it is with bloggers, influencers, or your audience on social media, real connections lead to natural and valuable backlinks. So, in the end, we can say that keep evolving off page SEO, because evolving off page SEO is more than just backlinks. It is about building trust and authority in your field. Use the strategies we discussed, from guest blogging to influencer outreach, and keep tracking your progress. The last few tips, like avoiding low quality links and focusing on genuine engagement, are crucial to making your strategy effective. So, are you ready to take your off page SEO to the next level? It is time to start building relationships, creating great content, and staying consistent. What are your thoughts? How will you use those strategies in your SEO journey? Mention it in the comment section.